Alright guys, down here in Port Stanley again. Out here with the Slash. I'm just gonna do a couple little speed passes here with it up close, and I'm gonna head home and grab a different car and come back on out. So hope you enjoy. Try that again. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, she's moving there. Yeah, she's going. I don't know if I can get her much faster than that. I don't want to try and get it. I don't want to get too hot either. Here, one more time. Oh yeah, she's moving. Whoa. Okay, that's enough of that. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll freaking see you in the next video.